How to change the location on Shein application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change your location on Shein application. So let's get started. So first thing, just open up your Shein application and make sure you are currently logged into your account. And once you're inside here, simply click on this me button at the bottom right corner, or you can also tap on this settings gear icon at the top right corner, just like this, and you should see the option that is location right over here. So once you scroll down and simply click on this, now to change it you can basically search in for any of the country directly, or you can also simply scroll down and find out or locate the particular country which you would like to switch on to. So let's say in this case I would want to change it to USA, that will be United States. So I'll simply tap on this and simply click on continue, and you might have to relog in with your account. So just select continue and simply enter your password once again and just click on login. And once your registration is successful, you will have successfully changed your location on your Shein application, just like that. So now that your data will be restored or selected on that particular location of your account. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.